Hey friend, Graham Cochran here, seven-figure business owner and fanatical user of the online business platform Kajabi. In this video series, I'm gonna walk you through over 31 days how to do everything you need to do inside of Kajabi, from launching products to sending marketing emails to creating webinars to scaling and automating your online business so you make more while working less. It's all here. Now, if you don't already have Kajabi, you're in luck. I want to get you access to a 14-day free trial using my link, grahamcochran.com/Kajabi. But not just the free trial, because you can get that anywhere. I want to give you 2 free mini courses just by signing up with my link. One you'll get the moment you join, called Ready, Set, Kajabi, which walks you through hand in hand how to launch your business with Kajabi, including some of my best ninja marketing tactics that I use on the regular. You get that the moment you sign up with my link. And then if you become a paying member of Kajabi after the trial, I'm gonna send you a free sales copy formula mini course, my 3-step sales copy formula to help you sell more products to more people effortlessly. It's all for free if you just sign up for Kajabi using my link at grahamcochran.com/Kajabi, or I'll link to it below. In today's video, we'll be looking at how you can grow a bigger audience that you can then monetize inside of Kajabi. Hope you're ready to dive in. I'm Graham Cochran, and this is 31 Days with Kajabi. In this video, I'm going to teach you some of the fastest things you can do to build your audience. Ideally, you want to be creating content regularly, picking a platform where you can teach and share and motivate and encourage or illuminate to your audience how to break through certain barriers or deal with certain challenges or reach certain goals and dreams, all the stuff that we validated. Here are some really cool and fast ways to start doing that. I love that tools like YouTube and Facebook have created live video. Facebook Live and YouTube Live are 2 fantastic resources that have been out for a little while now to help you create content quickly, get engagement quickly, build rapport with people in your niche quickly, and be able to create that connection quickly. That connection is so important. Figure out who you want to help, who needs help, and what they need help with, and what are the 10 biggest areas that you could help people with, 10 topics that you feel like you could teach on or share on. Come up with that top 10 list for simple content ideas. Some of those on that list might be helping them break through a pain or frustration, how to deal with this, how to get through this, how to solve this. And some of those should also be how to achieve this, reach their certain dream or hope or desire, right? So you'll get all that from your notes because you'll know what real people have talked about. Brainstorm 10 ideas. And then for each idea, I want you to come up with 3 simple bullets, right? So if you're a fitness person, again, if one of the pain points was, what am I supposed to eat? I'm a really busy person. I've got a family. I've got a career. How do I eat healthy where I'm not gaining weight, I'm actually losing weight quickly on the run? That's a massive topic, but you could cover it in 1 or 2 videos. And let's say you were gonna do it in one of these videos, and you could have your 3 foods you should for sure eat to stay healthy on the go that are fast, or 3 quick meals you can prepare every week that are healthy and help you increase your metabolism, right? So that's a simple 3 thing. 10 topic ideas, 3 bullet points for each. Step 2 for you now is to teach for 10 minutes a day, 5 days a week on either YouTube Live or Facebook Live. Either can work. Wherever you feel like you feel comfortable, wherever, if you already have a bunch of people following you on Facebook, that might be a natural place to start. If you are hoping to create YouTube content moving forward, YouTube might be a great place to start. Either works. Facebook is great because people already know you and are connected to you. YouTube is great because it's searchable as well. The point is, pick a platform you like, take your 10 topic ideas, and for the next 2 weeks, you're gonna teach those 10 topic ideas. 1 a day, 5 days a week, 5 days the next week. So that's 10 over 2 weeks. Take the weekends off because, hey, we're rational, civilized human beings here. And all you need to do is teach for 10 minutes. Here's what you do. Pick your time, you go live. Again, there may not be anybody on this live. That's an important thing to understand. The live aspect is not about getting a lot of people watching it live. The live aspect is just because it's quick and easy and people can interact with it. And it seems casual and it takes the pressure off. You want to set this teaching portion and teaching time up, assuming that most people will watch the replay after the fact. Key difference. So keep in mind, you don't have to have a ton of people on or anybody on for this to work. But here's what you do. You've got your 3 bullet points for the topic. You know what you're gonna say. You go live on your phone, on your laptop, wherever you can. You don't need fancy lighting. Just get in front of a window. Make sure that you're not in the dark. Make sure that you've got little earbuds in that have little microphones so that it's decent audio quality. The great thing about live, again, is that it's a lower barrier of entry, lower expectations for the camera and audio quality, and just teach. And here's how you start. Say, hey friends, Graham here from superawesomebusiness.com, or even if you don't have the website, hey, Graham here, I'm a fitness coach, and in this video, I'm gonna teach you how to do X, Y, and Z. Before we dive in, if you haven't already, I wanna give you my 5-pound weight loss cheat sheet. It's a simple guide to help you lose 5 pounds in the next 7 days in a healthy, sustainable way with just simple, practical tips you can implement this week to lose 5 pounds. You can download it by going to whatever.com/5pounds. I'm gonna put the link below the video as well. That's what you say at the beginning, who you are, what you're gonna help them accomplish in that video, and before you do, download the free guide, which we just created in the last video, right? Inside of Kajabi, we created the opt-in page, so even if you don't have a website, you have a URL you can send people to where they can download it and get something amazing, and now they're on your email list, and you link to it below the video, so you link to it in the description before you go live, whether on YouTube or Facebook, and then you mention it on camera, right? So you see what we're doing here. We're already trying to get people who just watched the first few seconds to join your list. Then you proceed to just teach the 3 bullet points, right? You don't have to have a ton of notes. If you're a big note taker and you want to have a ton of notes, you can have your laptop open and just read your notes. Like, look at the camera, look at your notes, and just deliver. It can be casual. Say, hey, a lot of people struggle with losing weight, right? And so a lot of people need to lose a ton of weight. And here's the secret to losing weight in a healthy way. Secret number 1, and you just share it, right? You just go through your teaching, teach for 10 to 15 minutes. At the end of your teaching time, remind them at the end again to download your lead magnet. Say, hey, hope this was helpful. If you haven't already, download my 5-pound weight loss cheat sheet. It's a free gift. It's a simple PDF. The link's below in the description, so you can click on that or just go to whatever.com/5pounds and then look at the screen. And if you notice there are a couple of people on there, say, hey, I'm happy to stick around for a few more minutes if you have any questions, and answer those questions. And then take a sip of water. This is what I love to do. It's like the water trick or coffee. You have your drink ready to go because there's always a delay on live videos between when you say something and when they hear it. So then there's also a delay from them having the guts to like type in and respond to you in the chat or wherever. So you ask something, even if there's a million people on the call, you're not gonna get a response instantly and it's awkward. So here's what you do. You throw out, hey, if you have any questions, I'm gonna stick around for a few minutes, type them in right below. I'd love to know how I can help you. You just jibber jabber for a few seconds so they have time to start chatting, time to start leaving a question. And when you're done saying, hey, leave a question below, you grab your drink, and it gives you that extra 5 to 10 seconds to see if there's any question. Look, if there's no questions popping up, say, hey, no problem. If you have any other questions after the fact, you can still leave a comment below and I can come back and answer your questions with a response later, which is a critical part. Again, you could have 0 people on your live, but if you are promoting your lead magnet at the beginning and the end, and where to get it, why it's awesome, that it's free, what it gets them, what it does for them, and if you ask them to leave a comment with a question below, even after the video is over, and you promise them that you can come back and answer that question, it makes the video still valuable for you and them because, hey, you can come back and dialogue with them. It doesn't have to happen live. The funny thing about doing YouTube lives and Facebook lives is that the live element doesn't matter. It's really about how the algorithm loves live video, so it's gonna promote you higher on both platforms. The barrier of entry is lower. You don't feel the pressure to be in front of a camera and have lighting and have a good microphone. You can just go. It makes you calm, it makes you relaxed, it makes you approachable, which makes you likable, and it allows you to just get content out quickly, and then you can easily interact with people in the comment below. So I want you to do this for the next 2 weeks when you're ready to go, teaching 10 simple topics with 3 bullets each for 10 minutes a day, 5 days a week, promoting your lead magnet at the beginning and the end. That's all you need to do. If you're on social media, Facebook, obviously, Instagram, Twitter, wherever, share these videos. Share and reshare. Hey, just did a Facebook Live, just did a YouTube Live over here on this topic. If you want to learn how to do X, Y, and Z, you should check it out. Share it, promote it after the fact. Tell everyone you know to watch these videos over these 2 weeks so that you're getting more traction after the fact, which is going to help. Then your job is to make sure you pop in at least once a day and see if anyone has left a comment on any of the videos and respond to them and dialogue with them. And if you see some interesting conversation going or some interesting interesting questions, take note of what these questions are. Maybe your video was helpful, but it led to more questions. Add them to your Google Doc. Ask them follow-up questions. Well, oh, so you would want to learn about this. Why is that? Why does this not work for you? Have you not tried this? And you're getting more research from doing the content. This is a perpetual thing, by the way, for online business owners, is constantly interacting with their audience and learning and relearning and refining what people need help with and how you can help them. Do this for 2 weeks. You're gonna get a lot of engagement. You're gonna get some people on your email list. You're gonna learn about what topics people really connect with, and you're gonna get some practice teaching. Thanks so much for watching today's video. I hope you found it helpful. Don't forget, if you want to jump on the free trial of Kajabi and get up to 2 amazing free bonus courses from yours truly, just go to grahamcochran.com/Kajabi and sign up today. That's it for today's video. I hope to see you tomorrow as we dive deeper into Kajabi and help take your business to the next level.